Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Nissan X-Trail TS, stock reference number 5705. This shape runs from the 7th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2013. It has an M9R 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. An M9R 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which has no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has no damage, does have a paint fade on the top edge, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.